Quad turboing the experiment Civic. I guess we'll call it the experiment Civic because we do so much bull with this thing and it holds up. Like there's nothing better. I don't know Hondas, but it's got 16 valves in this one, so that means it's gonna hold up. EF baby. Let's see if she starts. Thing's a pile.
This is what I like to see, dude. That's the start of a turbo manifold.
That was from 2 seconds of touching this car. I say we like try and find a U that's on the exhaust somewhere.
And chop it.
Chop it, weld it to it.
Yeah, we just need 180 degrees back up and out. Easy peasy. That's a pretty nice exhaust. Wow.
Yeah, it is. What are we gonna do about that?
We're gonna destroy it by cutting this out right there.
Let's get her going.
Now this will go like this. It's gotta come this way and then go up this way.
Looks good enough time. So I got the header all done. This is the final placement where I want this to go. All I have to do now is connect this to this.
I just got here. This is... No words, like always.
Dude, it's like going in the helmet. This wire's so...
It's on the floor right there. Shout it out. Do not buy that. Do not buy this.
Don't ever buy this.
It's trash. Stomp it out.
Kyle, take care of her.
Stomp it out, dude. Trash, dude.
I made a mess.
Everywhere.
I'm pooing. I can't believe it's not water.
How many bolts are on this thing?
You got it?
I guess. This thing's like 80 pounds.
Yeah, with that manifold on it, it's probably at least 100.
I don't even think we need a mount, dude.
You think that's solid? It's gonna have a lot of flex.
It'll be fine. We put a blow-off valve in this thing?
No, I want this. Wow, look at that. Don't put that down.
What am I gonna do?
It's gonna break the weld. It's not, it's like tacked.
Painting, gotta start welding.
Yep. There, and it's done.
Drop this thing.
Don't be a
Dude, what do you want me to do? I'm in a t-shirt.
Take it like a man.
Jesus.
Kyle, just get out of the way.
Oh, Carlos, come on, buddy. You don't want to get burnt. Go, go, go.
You're just gonna go down.
Look at this manifold, dude. This is a masterpiece.
Oh my god.
Rip all that out. Nice.
Oh, I just broke that off.
Now we just gotta plumb the intake side to somewhere this region.
Right there. This goes here. The boost comes out of there and goes into that.
Boom. Bing. We're gonna use that like that, dude.
Yep. Do you have the piece to go from here to there? We should start it first and see if we're getting 15 PSI.
Oh.
Wait for Kyle to finish our coupler though. Dude, these are real sturdy.
Honestly,
We should brace that real quick.
no. I want to see it wobbling. Like I want to be hitting limiter and it'd be like.
That's exactly what's gonna happen.
Yeah. I hope it takes out the whole front end. I hope the radiator gets. I hope everything gets.
I honestly don't think anything's gonna break because it's a Honda.
Honda reliability, baby.
All right, Kyle, he's gonna start it up. You gotta undo the battery connections. Hold on, let me grab our oil lines. Everyone always complains about oil lines. You don't need oil lines, everybody. This is what you do. This is how you do it. A little bit of that for that one. A little bit of that for that one. A little bit of that for number 3. A little bit of that for number 4. No oil lines required. Oh yeah. Let me get off the ramp. Nice and easy. Oh, dude, they make sick noises. AJ, this makes literally 50 times more boost than your bike.
Dude, it sounds kind of like the bike though. I think the rectangular exhaust just makes that noise. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, like the reverb or whatever it's called. I'm not sure what the term is, but
Oh my god.
we should plumb the in. You heard the flutter.
At
right?
first it was like
Before you start it, we gotta run our oil lines real quick. Feel the boost pressure.
That's like as much as the exhaust, dude.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, dude, feel idle. Like that's even.
Wow, feel the idle boost.
wow. Oh my god.
How much do you think that really is? Like 25 pounds?
That feels like a lot. I'm no expert, but I'd say at least 25.
Shooting fireballs, dude? Yeah, shut it off. Let's plumb the intake. Alright, all we have to do now is PVC from here to here. Easy.
Really easy.
Cake.
Carlos.
Yeah, I'm trying to make all 25 pounds, dude. You gotta make work with what you got.
And that's your hands, I guess.
I think she's gonna eat, dude.
I think so too. That thing is kind of fast.
Yeah, it kind of took off.
Was that clutch slip? Hey, we're making so much boost that was clutch slip actually.
Really?
Yeah. No tire spun.
Yeah.
So this is how the intake is plumbed. Right in. It's a little warm right there. Dude, it sounds crazy
Yeah, it sounds
now.
pretty cool. Wow.
I say we tie her to a pole, dude.
What?
I say we tie her to a pole
Tire to a pole?
and just let her eat.
Strap right there? Yeah. You've done all of the burnouts in this car to this point.
Like before, it was doing both this time too, no?
Yeah, looked like it.
It didn't have enough power before to spin both wheels. Now it was doing both. Dude, she lights them up. Man, now, dude.
It sounds like it likes to hit limiter a lot faster.
Yeah, it's like more peppier. Like the throttle response is crazy because there's just so much like air getting shot into the thing.
Is that clutch?
this thing eats, dude. Oh my God. That's a lot of smoke.
Yeah. That's what happens when you do a giant nasty burnout.
Jeez, dude, she ate.
I feel like we never had a clutch slip problem before, so we definitely added power.
Oh yeah, it like, I tried hitting second and it was like, no. Did you hear it?
Oh yeah.
This is gonna catch on fire. Back it up and turn the wheel this way.
Starts every time, dude. Two-step it while you're at it.
Great job.
That's good.
Let me hit two-step one more time.
Let him two-step it.
Oh, I gotta hold the brake while I do it. Oh my God.
Do you hear that woodpecker?
Yeah, look at how much rubber there is, dude. Like, it looks like dirt and it goes all the way back. Dude,
The tire's still good too.
I know, like, we could retread it, dude. We could retread that thing.
Yep, you're good. Cut it left.
Watch this hole.
You're gonna hit this stack of tires.
Jesus.
Yeah, straight.
Oh my, have you ever driven a 300 horsepower Civic before? Shut her down.
I'm sorry, it's just too much
License and
fun.
registration, please.
You're stinking up our shop, buddy.
I don't have
Stinky.
I don't have registration or insurance.
I know.
That's a problem.
No, it's not, believe it or not.
Oh.
We're just gonna have to tow you, bud.
Yeah,
Okay.
Mr. Court Date.
Kyle, what do you think, dude?
I think it worked out better than I thought it would.
I think this thing's probably faster than the bike with the 4 turbos.
Definitely not.
Like, dude, before. No, I think it might be, dude.
Faster than the bike?
Yeah.
The clutch slip is a sign that there was some more power at it, I think.
Yeah, the clutch never slipped before. I think this was a success, dude.
This manifold is great.
We've done so much to this thing that I think it will take whatever we give it. Comment below if you guys think you know something that will make our Civic blow up. Anything. Like, this thing is indestructible. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next one.